It's been raining here in Jensen, and I don't have something to do. So tonight, um, let's do a makeup tutorial. Didn't siya makeup tutorial, but get ready with me makeup when I have when there are special events like mga special events. So, ingana ko it's my makeup when there are special events. First is control pore minimizer primer. Second, bukan mo siya sa mga areas na dagang pores para makabunan and pag magbunan ka o foundation, it's nice. So, ako'y pinaka-untay gabi na and it's raining and hindi ko maka-record sa akong intro video ko ng application tayo sa ako lang. Sa ako. Next is foundation. It's from Dazzle Me. Dazzle Me foundation in the shade Yellow Beige. So, Yellow Beige siya kay I am acidic and ang makeup sa ako is mag-oxidize. That's why I need to wear foundation one shade lighter than my normal shade since mag-oxidize pa siya. And mag-dark pa siya sa aking face. The everyday makeup is the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me na tinted sunscreen. If for everyday kay tinted na siya and it has SPF 50 sunscreen. And trust the process, guys. Wait. Don't forget your neck. Sa pagbutan ng foundation and your ears. And okay. Pwede kayo. Walang gas ng camera. Wait, let's try our okay. Next step is concealer. Conceal, don't let it go. Conceal all the problems in your face. The under eye. So, pag may special event, lang kami concealer because binipit ganahan. Pag everyday makeup, wala ko nag-concealer. And contour powder. So, let's make use of that. Next is, let's do bronzer. So this palette is from Squad Cosmetics, a contour and blush chin up palette. So this video and this makeup is also my makeup during my taking. So, mana picture ko taking so. And syempre, ang ilaw, hindi makalimutan. Dapat, taksak siya. Taksak din sila. Answer the face. Dapat na natin jawline sila, jawline. Next is, after that, lagi na ako contour. Kamay na marang. We will bake. Bake pa sa aking face. Let's use my All Day No 7 Blur Powder from Dr. Sensitive. Let's use this puff. After baking is magkilay na. This is the next is kilay. I'm using Vice Cosmetics, the all day brow pomade in the shade dark brown. So I recommend this brow pomade, guys. It's so nice. It makes your kilay fuller. Let's brush muna. Okay. Then I do this I'm using the Fashion 21 na double tip na pang kilay. Perfect. Let's leave that later. Don't you worry. Next is ang tipid niya, guys. Like, I have this for almost more than a month. And everyday ko siya ginagamit. Maliit pa lang yung bawas niya. So, maliit na, ano niya, very pigmented. Napaka-pigmented niya, guys. Diba? It's done. My kilay is done. And I love my kilay, guys. It's so easy to fill in. So easy to fill in. Let's put some bushy. Done. My kilay is done. First step is get like pink color. Put it all over your. Kasi ang makeup na paan nitong taking is subtle lang. Because my filthy niya nga is so bangga. Kaya I want my makeup to be that simple. Let's get this blush, white blush. Put it here. Sa outer and inner. All that. And sa inner. Yeah, it's already. Next is our shimmer, the All Glow eyeshadow from Pink Flash. It has this shimmer. Put it here. Yeah. See the shimmer? Okay. Then blend it in your eyes. Like this. Here. Blend it. That's why you need a pink base. Para. It's not blending. Wait. You need a pink base. Para mas visible siya. Yeah, like this. There you go. It's shimmering. Right? It's shimmering. Yeah. Perfect. Next is want to have darker outer eyeshadow, darker shade. So let's get the same color that we used in our contour. Sorry guys, gawin na lang ako ang eyeshadow palette para kaya nag-decluttering ko. And I throw all my makeup, my powder makeup. Kaya it's already expired. It's more than 2 years na. And it's not good for the face. That's why ako ay mga eyeshadow ng mga dagagay. Like last time, I have the Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. Unfortunately, it's already what do you call that? Expired na siya. Pero use na ako pa siya guys for a long time. Kaya nag-makeup ko sa ako ng mga classmates sa una. And for free guys. Diba? Wala akong kakabayan. Kaya walang ulo ko muna. So I only makeup them. Nag-makeup ko sa ila for free. So next is to erase all, blend all we baked. Shoot that. Shoo them away. Wait. We're gonna blend the concealer. Look like it. Okay. Like that. So, first is eyeliner from Dazzle Me. So, medyo gaan sa namin guys. Ang next one siya. Yup. Hindi ko ano guys. Ay, hindi ko kabalungan guys. Sa akin ako gawin. Ang kailangan pa-cover na siya kaysa sa pulses. That's why. Concentrate sa kanyos. I don't know what brand this is. So let's use this Glad King. I like this curler. It's my favorite. Pagkitaan, syempre. Ang anong eyeliner. Next is, we use this Dazzle Me mascara. It's fine. So usually pag I have eyelashes. Also guys, maraming ko pag during my graduation. Ako lang po ng makeup ato. Then ako pilok ato, so pilok is no problem. Next, lower eyelash. Yan. So, also put the shimmer in the lower lash para siga ka ayaw. Right, nice. Okay. Mm. Ay, also guys, ang other tip that I ani is for if you want shimmer jug. It has mga bilog-bilog guys. It's so nice. So, if you want extra shimmer, na siya mga bilog-bilog na very cute ay. Diba? Ramdam mo ko siya. Man. Let's put brow gel. It's a clear brow gel, pero kung siya black na ako. It's the brow on the go eyebrow gel mascara of Beauty Spread. It's so nice, guys. I love this. Very long lasting tayo siya gamiton. And mafix din akong brow, guys. Nag-bushy din siya. So nice, I like this. I love this. Although namin siya discover. Kaya I actually use Nichido for my brows. Yung magdan ko, kasi ako ni, well, hindi siya. Because I tried it. And so far, I'm satisfied with its look. Ah. And I also have this Joel na blush brush. So I like this blush kasi it's very subtle, hindi siya loud pink na blush. And look at this. It's so nice, right? It's not too loud. Tama lang siya. Yo, I like it. It's very nice na blush. Yan ang corn. Na sa akin sana. I like this Squad Happy Pot or the multi-purpose pot in the shade Campus Crush. Yeah, I'll use na kayo siya, guys. Bye! Sa una, guys, ganahan kayo kung mga loud red na mga lipstick. But, pagka na-discover na ko ni pa. I like this color na. Kung man makatiguan, ginawa red tayo. Next, let's highlight. Let's use the highlighter here. So, my brush is from Mary Kay. I don't usually put highlighter, guys, since oily ang face. Right, nice. So, I don't usually put highlighter. Ano kasi siya sa oily. Next, up the lips. Ah. Nice. Nice. Okay, then, sa inner. Okay. Last is a setting spray. I put setting spray. Wow. Di ba guys, nawala na and ang galing niya pa. So, this is it, I think. Ready na ako for special occasions. Usually put powder after my. This is it. It's done. Bye. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next makeup vlog. Next time is I will try to do my everyday makeup. Bye.